Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe billing for subscriptions in no-code SaaS apps step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Stripe website. Click on the Start Now button to create a new account. Fill in the required information to sign up for your Stripe account. Once registered, log into your Stripe dashboard. Select the billing option from the sidebar menu. Click on Settings in the Billing section. Choose Subscriptions and Invoices from the Settings menu. Enable the subscription options by toggling the relevant switches. Next, navigate to the Products section in the Stripe dashboard. Click on Add Product to create a new subscription plan. Enter the product name and description. Select the pricing model that suits your service, like standard pricing or tiered pricing. Set the price and billing interval for your subscription plan. After saving your product, go to the Customer section in the sidebar. Create a new customer by clicking on the Add Customer button. Enter the customer details such as email and name. Save the customer information to proceed. Now, return to the Products section and select the product you created. Click on Set up Subscription to link it with your customer. Choose the customer from the list when prompted. Select the subscription plan for the customer. Review the details and check for accuracy. Finalize the subscription setup by clicking the Start Subscription button. The subscription will now be active, and your customer will be charged according to the specified billing interval. To ensure smooth operations, set up the webhook for subscription events. Navigate to Developers in the sidebar and select Webhooks. Click on Add Endpoint to set your webhook URL. Choose the relevant events to listen for, such as subscription creation and cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.